presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
Hey everybody, I'm so excited to have some brand new Dinotrux toys. And these are the Power Trucks. And they're motorized, so they drive. Watch this. See his wheel turning? When I push the button, he's racing away. Go Ty! I can't wait to get these out of the box. And here is Ty, Dozer, Tun, and Garby. And they all are motorized. Let's try that one more time. He's ready to go. And who else do we have over here? Here's Power Trucks Garby. Oh, he's one of our favorites. See his wheels turn? He's ready to race Ty. Who's gonna win? And Dozer. Now the only one we don't have is Tun. So I'll keep an eye out for Tun. Who do you think is gonna win? Let me know down in the comments who you want to win the race. Dozer, Garby, or Ty. And, oh, we've got another toy back here. Look at this. It's Blizzard Battlers Pack. It's Ty and D-Structs in the snow. And you pull them back and they race forward. Turn it around. There's D-Structs and Ty, and they're all covered in snow. So this is a really cool set from Toys R Us. Now, let's start getting these out of the box and start racing. We've got Ty, Dozer, and Garby. It's time to race. On your mark, get set, go! Dozer wins! Let's do this some more. On your mark, get set, go! Ty wins! Woohoo! Dozer versus Garby. On your mark, get set, go! Dozer again! Catch up, Ty and Garby! Can they make it through the fences to get to the trophies? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! Woohoo! Garby wins! Let's do it again. Good racing! You guys have been racing really well, but can you race on the Blaze and the Monster Machines racetrack? Let's find out. On your mark. Get set. Go! Garby, Dozer, and Ty. Woohoo! Oh, Ty got the trophy. Here's Dozer's trophy. Hold up, Garby, you need your trophy. He's got 2. Here comes Ty. Garby. And Dozer. He's making it through the flags. Garby's close in second. And there's Dozer. Oh, Garby's in front now. You better catch up, Ty. Good racing, Garby. Dozer, you have to catch up to Garby. Hurry up. All right, before we finish up with this video, we've got to get the Blizzard Battlers pack out. And we're gonna push here. Let's see what these guys do. Look at this cool Ty. He's got snow all over him. What happens if we pull him back? Wind him up. Now we're gonna let go. He drives really fast. Watch what he does when he races. His head moves and his hands move. That's really cool. Let's let him race one more time. Wind him up. Here is the D-Strucs. He's got snow on him. There's his saw blade tail. Let's see what happens when we wind him up. Woo! He's pretty fast too. I wonder who's faster. On your mark, get set, go! D-Strucs beat him! Woohoo! When you wind him up, let's see what moves. Oh cool, his mouth moves and his legs move. That is super awesome. But I really enjoyed showing you these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.